Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Ford Edge. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the right type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so lift your vehicle securely on a level surface before starting any work. Now, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, typically a bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the dark, used oil to flow freely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, replace the drain plug, making sure it's snug to prevent any leaks. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which might be a bit tricky to reach. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen it, then carefully unscrew it by hand. Be ready for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn with the wrench. Finally, it's time for the new oil. Remove the oil filler cap on your engine. Using a funnel, slowly pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. After pouring, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Start your engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Recheck the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug or filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.